a nice one. Well, I didn't see you there. Oh shoot. Hold on. What do you want? What's that I hear? You want the recap? Future me was editing this. Roll the video compilation. See you guys on the ending. Everybody clap that up. That was amazing, right? No? Alright. So, that's the 2023 recap. But before I end this, I want to thank all of my subscribers, friends, family who have watched my videos throughout this mid-year for this channel, to be honest, because, well, it almost died. But, hey, we're back. But before I go, I will be taking a slight break, and I'll come back on January 2nd with a new Coolts casserole episode. I don't know what I'm going to be talking about, but I will leave a community post voting with a poll asking you all to vote for the next subject. So yeah, that was just a recap. I'll see you all on January 2nd. Goodbye.